Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change your name on Tinder. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Tinder app on your mobile phone, and right over here tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. Now if you tap on this little pencil icon to edit out your profile, you do have many other options, but you won't be able to find where you can change your name or age. Right, for that matter, tap on done option first, tap on gear icon on top right, scroll down all the way to the bottom and access this option of help and support. Now go ahead, type in change name. If you do that, you will get this particular search option. So if you scroll down, you can see there are many options. Tap on my age or name is wrong. If you do that, the only solutions for that is simply deleting this particular profile of yours and creating the new one. There is no other way for you to change your name. For that, you can go back, tap on settings icon on top, scroll down and tap on this delete account option. Now go ahead, tap on this delete my account, and once you have deleted this account, go ahead, create a new one with the correct age or name of yours and you're good to go. That is the only way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.